So Dad, he was a body and paint guy, but is more on the hobby side of things. So I'd already done some work with him. So I was just like, well, we'll just dive in head first, see what happens. A lot of the skills that I bring from DMAC into the body shop and from the body shop into here is a lot of the sanding basics, a lot of the painting basics.
Going from auto collision, learn how to paint, and come here to Vermeer and just learn all the safety aspects, stuff like that, but painting pretty much transferred over really well. The plus side is you don't have any body work you have to deal with.
Everybody wants to work for themselves, but it's not as easy as you think. There's a lot of costs, a lot of overhead. I didn't have that health insurance, I didn't have that retirement. You know, I didn't have really security. I knew a body shop wasn't for me because they just don't have that security and the benefits and stuff. This place it's fully functional.
For me, in my case, Vermeer, it was steady. It was great pay. It's almost like I wish I'd have done it sooner.
It's a very helpful environment, and that's rare. I'll tell you that, being in the workforce for 25 years. I couldn't ask for a better situation.